Manistee, sunshine sparkles just for me. Warm breeze whispers through the pines, cherry blossoms, summer sighs. Michigan, sweet summer kiss, lakes and rivers, pure bliss. Bonfires light the beach's edge, hearts warmed by the cedar hedge. Michigan, sweet summer kiss, lakes and rivers, pure bliss. Bonfires light the beach's edge, hearts warmed by the cedar hedge. Michigan summer's calling, through the rivers we're winding. Cherry blossoms, bonfire sparks, summer love lights our hearts. Waves that dance in nature's song, floats us gently all day long. Under skies of blue and gold, stories of summer unfold. Warm days and cooler nights, fireflies in our twilight. Kayaks glide on silver streams, moonlight paints our dreams. Cotton clouds drift far and high, eagle soars in the clear sky. Seasons whisper in the air, feel the magic everywhere. Michigan summer's calling, through the rivers we're winding. Cherry blossoms, bonfire sparks, summer love lights our hearts.
Riding slow down the Manistee River, warm Michigan breeze on our skin. Nothing else like it anywhere ever. That bright summer left us with a grin. Waves whispered secrets to the shore. We laughed and dreamed, wanting more. Sunset painted skies so tender and pure, our hearts beating like a lion's roar. We fell in love on the Manistee River, memories flowing like a silver shiver. In that bright, hot summer's glow, our love was all we'd ever known. We fell in love on the Manistee River, memories flowing like a silver shiver. In that bright, hot summer's glow, our love was all we'd ever know. Skipped a rock, watched it dance away. Promises made we'd never betray. River song in the fading day, love's echo in endless way. Campfires glowing, eyes shining bright, stars above and still of night. Held each other, feeling so right, two souls merging in the cool twilight. We fell in love on the Manistee River, memories flowing like a silver shiver. In that bright, hot summer's glow, our love was all we ever know. We fell in love.
Michigan summer, the air so sweet. On the Manistee River where our hearts meet, we found love in the whispering breeze, right there in the water beneath the trees. We laughed as the sun kissed our skin. Our love grew strong, the day was a win. Water flowed like the time we spent in Michigan summer, where every moment meant. Always remember how the sun shone bright, warmed our hearts enough for winter's night. Michigan summer dreams to hold, memories we never grow old. The gentle waves told our love story on the Manistee River, bathed in glory. We danced on the banks with bare feet, found love so true, the air so sweet. Always remember how the sun shone bright, warmed our hearts enough for winter's night. Michigan summer dreams to hold, the memories we never grow. Oh, we laughed as the sun kissed our skin. Our love grew strong, the day was a win. Water flowed like a time we spent in Michigan summer, where every moment meant. Always remember how the sun shone bright, warmed our hearts enough for winter's night. Michigan summer dreams to hold, the memories we never grow. Leaves fall and seasons change, Michigan summer feels less strange. For in our hearts it will always be that summer of love by the Manistee.